Today I'm sharing how to precisely control a script. You can think of it as a remote control for time. Let's first look at the effect. For example, this prompt word. Strictly adhere to the effect of this image. The prompt word is this node. For example, it stands in a sea of flowers for a few seconds. Then, after a few seconds, the ring pulls closer. Finally, cup the flowers in your hands. Each point can be understood as a strict 100% reference. 100% execution. Furthermore, the transitions between these prompts are very smooth. This is its advantage. The advantages are precise script storyboarding and a time redirecting effect. It will be more accurate than nodes you don't use. It means achieving 100% fulfillment of your prompt requirements. For example, what is it doing in a few seconds? This shot lasts for a few seconds. This shot lasts for a few seconds. Strict reference. I'm using the latest official version 1.1. Therefore, if you use the official version, you don't need to use this one. If you are using the official version, just open this. This also uses the VPN version too. The effect will be even better, and the magnification here is also used. The latest version of version 1.1 is also more effective. I will go into more detail later. First, let me introduce the IntBrain Cloud Online Mirror I'm using. Users prefer to deploy locally and use it immediately. Just click on My Mirror. I'm currently using an online mirror. If you see that I can use it, then you can use it too. I put this workflow in the LTX2.3 workflow. The second one from the left. Of course, I have the complete set here because mirroring allows for the deployment of many of the latest node workflows. If you're using liblib, it won't be able to deploy if the node doesn't support it. Therefore, if you want to use it, the mirror function is more complete. I will explain its usage in detail later. I've put this workflow in LTX. Opening it at 2 or 3 points will give you the whole thing. Of course, I have more than just this. I also have the complete Flux kit. There's also the complete editing side of 2500. These are the most commonly used ones outside. There are also intermediate level cloning, voice cloning, and speech generation. It's also the strongest version to at present. I have this mirror image, and so do you. It's like copying a file and then not needing to deploy it. It contains video, images, and video-related workflows are also among the 10,000 commonly used workflows. There are even more image categories. These are also some commonly used workflows. Sometimes the old one might be better than the new one. There are also voice-related functions, such as the previous sound generation or sound editing cloning. Currently, the most advanced sound cloning technology is intermediate. Its effect is the best. Furthermore, the generative music generation also produces features such as music generation, speech generation. The advantage of using my online mirror is that you can replicate all the content I'm currently using with one click. What I have, you also have. No deployment required. For those who want to deploy locally, out of the box, please click on my notes. Click on the ComfyUI tutorial in the navigation. It will jump to the location of the workflow. Workflows, like mirroring, video, are divided into 3 categories. These 3 categories are in the video category, same as the workflow name. The installation tutorial is inside. Click to see some of the models that download link and placement location. This way you can clearly see which model you need to download. No need to download everything, no matter where you put it. Below the screenshots of all the workflows. The parameters are clearly visible in each workflow screenshot, and they all come with simple user guides. At the very bottom are video tutorials and download links for workflows. This node is suitable for those using local deployments. It's best to use my online mirror directly. This is currently the most complete one. This workflow is the second one from the left. Now let me explain why it mainly adds this node. Its storyboarding and time control are very precise. The difference between this and the previous official text is that it is 100% effective. Even if you read the text in the old version, it may not necessarily be executed. Therefore, this node solves the problem of ensuring 100% execution. This technology is really impressive. This way you can create different charts within 10 seconds. Let it be displayed very accurately. Moreover, the time remote control can accurately display the image. If this node is not used and it's just plain text, it will not be fully reflected in the generated form. This is where you set the longest side of the video. For proportional scaling, you only need to set one maximum width value. This is the video length. I've used the latest 1.1 version here. With VPv2, the physics motion is more accurate. This version has been enlarged to 1.1 and is the latest. The effect will be clearer and more high definition. You can tell just by looking at the results. There's another important point. Although it's divided into several shots, but its transition capabilities are very strong and the transitions are very natural. This is also one of its advantages. It doesn't interweave awkwardly. It will naturally connect these for scenes. This is also its greatest advantage. Okay, that's all for this episode. Go have fun.